Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add cracked games to Steam. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Steam application in your computer. Then in this interface at the top left corner you need to click on your library. Here it is. After that, on the left side of your screen you will see a list of your games. And if you want to add some game not from Steam application, all you need to do is to click on the Add Game button at the bottom left corner. Here it is. And then you will see three different options. You need to click on the first one option, Add a non-Steam game. After that you will see this interface. You will see a list of applications, programs and games you can add to your Steam. So all you need to do is to find your cracked game and add it to your Steam. For example, I want to add this game, and then click on the Add Selected Programs. But if you can't see your game in this list, all you need to do is to click on the Browse button, and then you will see this folder. You can click on this PC folder, and then go to C disk or go to the HDD disk, and then find your game in this folder. And after that you need to click on the Open and then Add Selected Programs. So actually I will try to add, for example, a Roblox player game, then Add Selected Programs. And then, as you can see, now I can find this game in this list. So here it is. And after that I can click on the Play button and then play this game. And that's all, and that's how to add cracked games to Steam. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.